You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. A sharp public clash between Donald Trump and Elon Musk led to a 14% plunge in Tesla shares, equivalent to a $150 billion drop in market capitalization. Multi-billion-dollar SpaceX contracts with the U.S. government also came under threat, as Trump vowed to review them. The consequences extended beyond the stock market. Even Bitcoin lost 4% of its value amid declining investor confidence in Trump's support. Despite attempts to ease tensions, including Trump's statement that everything's fine, investors remain cautious. Amid political instability, investors shifted focus to the upcoming U.S. jobs report, which could influence the Federal Reserve's next steps. Last week's economic data was weak, heightening concerns about a labor market slowdown. The forecast suggests an increase of 130,000 jobs and an unemployment rate of 4.2%, though there is a risk it may rise to 4.3%. Any deviation from expectations could impact the likelihood of an interest rate cut. The dollar is ending the week lower, losing ground due to weak macroeconomic data and uncertainty surrounding U.S. trade negotiations. The euro, on the other hand, strengthened to a 6-week high of $1.1495 after the European Central Bank cut rates and signaled that its easing cycle is nearing completion. ECB President Christine Lagarde's remarks that the regulator is in a good position reinforced expectations of a pause in rate cuts. As a result, short-term European bonds gained, giving the euro an additional boost. The share of bitcoins held on exchanges has dropped below 11%, the lowest level since 2018. This significant outflow is driven by rising institutional demand and declining trust in centralized platforms following the FTX collapse. Inflows into spot Bitcoin ETFs have exceeded $44 billion, and around 60 publicly traded companies now control about 3% of total Bitcoin supply. This reflects a growing preference for long-term storage and a potential supply shortage on the market. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.